You can only receive revelation if the Word of God is already in you. Jesus comes up, He speaks to them, and listen what He says there in verse 25. He said to them, how foolish you are, and how slow to believe all that the prophets have spoken. Did not the Messiah have to suffer these things and then enter His glory? So they must have said, yeah, we know the Messiah had to do that. And then beginning with Moses and all the prophets, He explained to them what was said in all scriptures concerning Himself. So what did Jesus do? He started explaining to them, you know, all those times when you went and you read the Torah and you went to the synagogue, everything that you learned about the Messiah, the one that died, He was the Messiah. So He explained to them, and we don't know what Jesus said to them, but He explained to them that everything pointed to Him. As they walked, and by the time that they finished the conversation, verse 28, Luke 24:28 says, as they approached the village to which they were going, so they were going back to where they came from, Jesus continued on as if He were going further. They said, whoa, don't go further, stay with us, for it's nearly evening, the day is almost over. Jesus went in, He was with them at the table. Verse 30, He took the bread, gave thanks, broke it, and began to give it to them. Then their eyes were opened,